My name is Pranav. Today I am going to demonstrate accounts receivable document mass reversal. Okay, this will be done in F.80. Okay, now /n F.80. Give the company code 8136, then fiscal year 2016, then we'll see reversal reason, posting date. So the posting date will be to 23rd. Okay, you have to give the range. Okay, or press F4, you can give from the beginning. Okay, now reversal reason for the current period. Okay, now make sure the first will be the test run. Okay, now click on execute, wait for some time. Okay, see, certain documents you cannot reverse, that will give you the list here. Okay, now documents which can be reversed, that will give you the list here. Okay, now again go back, remove the test run. Okay, execute. Okay, reverse documents. So reverse documents, these are the reverse documents. Okay, these documents which cannot be reversed because it's already been settled. Okay, whenever the amount has been settled, you cannot do the reversing for that particular sales document. Okay, now you can go and see the customer balance /n FBL 5N. Okay, now what you can do, press F4. I'll select this customer. Okay, all items, execute. Oh, see, this particular 100 rupees has been reversed. Okay, now you can also go and see the document /n FB03. Last document it will show 2016. Okay, press enter. See, this will show you that particular document. Okay, now this customer has been credited and VAT sales have been debited. This is how you can do the mass reversal, but this is not advisable. Okay, in case you want to do the mass reversal, there will be a procedure in real time. You have to take permission from your managers, then you have to execute this. Otherwise, these T codes will not be allowed. Okay, thank you for listening and viewing my demo. In case you want any real-time experience in FICO, MM and SD, please do contact me. My contact number is 8123 999977. I repeat, 8123 999977, and my country code is 91. And you can also shoot me a mail. My mail ID is sappranu@gmail.com. sappranu@gmail.com. Thank you.